What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 streetwear items that you can get from Amazon that will drastically improve your style. And the best part about this is that every item I'm showing you guys is going to be under $20. So if you are on a budget, this is the video for you. But before I get into that, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Turn on that post notification bell and follow me on my Instagram. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So first item up that comes in at $11, we have a knit beanie. Now, I got mine in this mustard colorway, but if you go on Amazon, they have a plethora of different colors. Now, it is winter time, so you know a knit beanie is definitely gonna come in handy. Now, I went with the mustard colorway because I thought it would just stand out a little more opposed to wearing like a regular black one or a olive one. Now, I know sometimes beanies can be tricky because they all fit different on your head, but with this one right here, I think it'll fit well on most heads, so you're good to go if you're looking to cop this one. Now, there's plenty of ways you can rock beanies. Some people rock them really low, some people rock them really high, some people like a big cuff, some people like a small cuff. It's really personal preference how you like to rock yours. But a simple beanie can go a long way. It'll be a great addition to your outfit, especially in this mustard colorway. It's a really nice color. You can even get away with this color in the springtime, so it's really good all around. And for $11, I mean, you're not losing much if you don't like it, but I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed if you do pick this up. So with number 1 out the way, let's go ahead and get to number 2. Now, coming in at 16 bucks, we have this cargo belt. Now, this belt comes in 3 colorways. There's a khaki, a green, and a black, which is the one I went with. Let me just show you guys how this thing works and some close-up shots of this. Alright guys, so here's the buckle right here. Simple, you just push those in, it comes out. To click it back, you just push it in. Easy. Now, if you want to tighten it, you see this strap right here, you put it through this hole right there. Then you pull it out the other side, and it'll tighten. And you adjust it based on your waist. So if you need to tighten it a little more, you just push this through, grab it through the other end, and pull, and it gets tighter. And there you have it, guys. It's that simple. Now, having it in hand, it's a bit heavy, which is really nice because for 16 bucks, I didn't think you'd get the best quality. But I'm telling you guys, it's really nice, really good for the price point. I like this belt so much, I might even have to go ahead and get the khaki colorway. Now, this is just a really nice touch to your outfit. Instead of just wearing a plain black belt, this one will really improve your style. Now, next up, you know an outfit isn't complete without some accessories. So that's why I went with these 2 necklaces right here. Accessorizing is so important, and it looks really good on guys because, you know, most guys don't really accessorize. So when someone sees you with accessories on, you know, it just looks really nice. It stands out, and it just gives you a little pop to your outfit, and it just makes the outfit less boring. So I went with 2 necklaces. They're both different sizes, so I can layer them. Now, both of these retail for just like under $20. So not bad at all. When you have one longer chain and one shorter chain on at the same time, it just looks really cool. And for under $10 for each chain, I mean, you cannot go wrong with this right here, especially if it's your first time getting into chains. You're not sure if you're gonna like it. These are great to start off with. So I guess you can count these as 2 items. Let's go ahead and get into the 5th one. Now, this is for the Instagrammers out there. all the dudes that like to take fit pics, or even ladies. Coming in at $15, we have a tripod. Now you're probably thinking, why a tripod? Now you can put a DSLR on here, or a camera, or it comes with this little device right here where you can put your iPhone, because I'm sure a lot of you know, not everyone has a big camera. Some people just rock out with the iPhone, and this is perfect for that. And to take it a step further, it comes with a Bluetooth remote. So if you don't have anyone to take a picture of you, this is definitely the way to go. Let me just show you guys this in action. Okay guys, so when you take it out the box, it looks like this, just like any other tripod, but it does come with some accessories. It comes with an iPhone stand, so you put your iPhone right here and it's good to go. Let me show you guys. So you have this here, you just pull this like that, put your iPhone in here, you stretch it, and boom, you're good to go. It also has this bottom piece which you screw on right here, but we'll get into that in a moment. It also comes with this Bluetooth remote, which is why this is so important. When you don't have anyone to take your pictures, you just connect this to your iPhone, so whenever you want to take a picture, you hit this button and it snaps a picture. So a lot of times you don't have someone to take your photos for you, so you got to do it alone. That is why this comes in handy. Let me show you guys how this works. So there is a little switch on the side right here. You flip it up, the light turns blue, that means the Bluetooth is on. So you go to your Bluetooth settings and you select AB shutter, that should pop up. You click it, then it's connected. All right guys, so there's me right there. You click this button right here once it's connected and boom, it takes a picture of you. Now for this tutorial, I went out and snagged this picture. Now my hand is in my pocket right there because I am using the remote. One thing about it, you just got to keep it hidden and you're good to go. So guys, this setup is key when you want to take fit pictures for your Instagram and you have no one to take them for you. So I highly recommend this. So there you have it guys, 5 streetwear items that will drastically improve your style. Let me know what item you're rocking the most with in the comments below. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you are not already. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. It goes a long way for us. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.